The next topic of discussion is a list. A list is a sequence of related data. It's a collection of elements. It is similar to array, but a list is not an array. Later on we'll discuss what is an array. At that time we'll tell you the difference between list and array. List can contain any number of elements, 1, 2 or 3, any number of elements. And the elements need not be of the same type. Some elements can be numbers, some elements can be strings. Basically, you simply understand list as a collection of elements. Sometimes when you are doing data science problems, the output will be displayed like a list, or you may have to work with lists. We will now discuss how to handle lists, how to access certain elements from a list, how to sort a list, how to append a list, how to remove a certain element. We have to be really comfortable with lists. These lists will be handy later on when we are working on real problems. We create the lists using the square brackets. Once we have the square bracket, it is automatically given to Python that we are creating a list. So we give a list of elements inside these square brackets. Python will consider them as lists. How do you access an element from the list? Python indexing starts with 0. How do you access the first element? List name, index 0, that will give you the first element. List name, index 1, second element. The way we handle indexes, we already discussed in strings. It works exactly the same way. If you give a range of index, including the first element, excluding the last element. Trust me, there is nothing complex about the lists. How do you append two lists? We already have a list called cust. If we have another list called cust1, how do you append two lists? It's very simple. List1 plus list2. That will create a new list. One list is appended to the other one. There are so many other commands in lists, but they are not at all difficult. We just need to be aware of the command and use it at the right place. So this is how we append two lists. Cust is the cust1, cust plus cust1 will create the new list, final cust, final customers. How do you find the number of elements inside a list? You simply use length command or length function. This len length function is quite useful. How do you append an element to a list? We already saw one method, you just add plus sign, or you can use a list function called listName.append. You write the listName.append, whatever the element that you want to append, that will be automatically appended to the list. Here we can see we have appended Howard to the final customer list. Now when we print final customers, we can see the new element has been added to it. There are several other functions that can be applied on lists. These functions will be very useful later on when we are creating our own custom functions or when we are solving a slightly bigger problem. But knowing these basics is very important. As it is, these small commands may not help you. But later on when you are solving a bigger problem, this adding a new element to a list or removing a particular element from the list, they will help you to solve a slightly different problem or a bigger problem. Watch the video carefully, follow the commands. They are not at all difficult. Pause the video and practice them before going ahead with the next video. How do we update a particular element of a list? You write the list name, call the element using the index and update the value. Here index 3 means it's the fourth element. In our case, we're going to update Raj with John because 0, 1, 2, 3. So Raj has been updated to John. How do you sort the elements of a list? Simple. You write list name dot sort. All the values will be automatically sorted. Since we have strings in this list, they will be sorted alphabetically. Now if at all there is a larger list and there are so many elements and we want to find exactly at what position a particular element is, suppose we don't know where John is in this list, then we can use list.index to find out the position of a particular element. Can you search the documentation and find the command to reverse the elements in the list? The command simply takes the list as the input and reverses all the elements, gives us the output list with reversed elements. Basically, indexes are reversed. Find it out. Now that is basic introduction to lists. Go ahead, explore more. We will come back to lists at a later point of time.